Hello viewers, wondering on how to solve this maths problem is very easy, so you don't have to worry about it. So come with us and let's solve it within the shortest time possible. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So we have 4 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 80. So make sure you enjoy and watch up to the end. So the first step that you need to do, we need to express 80 to the base of 4, which in this case it is possible. It is impossible. There is no number that you can multiply so that it gives us 80 exactly. So in this case now we shall be forced to use what is called the log. So in this case now we shall introduce the log into the both sides. Now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to the log of 80. So that's the first step. Now note this. So according to the law of the logarithm, when you have the log p to the power of m, this one can also be expressed as m log p. So putting this into the consideration, let's express the log of 4 to the power of a minus 2 in the form of m log p. So in this case now we shall have a minus 2 log 4 is equals to the log of 80. So that is now what we shall have. So we want this side to remain with a minus 2. So we shall be forced to divide both sides by the log of 4. Then also this side by the log of 4. Don't forget to do that. So that in our next step, we shall now have to have the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. So we shall remain with a minus 2 is equals to the log of 80 all over now the log of 4. So because that is what we wanted, so we shall now have to factorize the log of 80 all over the log of 4. So we shall still have our a minus 2 here is equals to, so the log of 80 shall be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 20 all over the log of 4. So in this case now we shall now have a minus 2 is equals to, so this one can also be written as the log of 4 plus the log of 20 all over the log of 4. That is now according to the value of the log. So let's now work this one out. So now we shall have a minus 2 is equals to, so we shall use the log of 4, that is the denominator, to divide both sides once we split the equation. Now we shall have the log of 4 all over the log of 4, that is the denominator, plus now the log of 20 all over the log of 4, that is the denominator. So here now we shall now have a minus 2 is equals to, so the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 plus the log of 20 all over the log of 4. So we still have to factorize this number. We are not supposed to leave it the way it is. So we shall still have our a minus 2 still. So a minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 20 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 4. So in this case now a minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 5, this one according to the law of logarithm, all over the log of 4. So next now we shall be able to split it by now saying that a minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log of 4 all over the log of 4 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So in this case now we shall say that a minus 2 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 1 and the log of 4 shall cancel, shall remain 1 plus now the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So in this case now we shall have, so we can still write this one as a minus 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So let's note this, it's a very important. So in case we have the log of a all over the log of b. This one can also written as the log of a to the base of b. So let's write the log of 5 all over the log of 4 into the form of the log to the log a to the base of b. So now our a minus 2 shall be now is equals to 2 plus, so now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of to the base of 4. So let's now make sure that we have a on this other side. So in this case now we shall now say that our a is equals to, now we shall have 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. Then this minus 2 shall cross the sign and become positive 2. So that one now shall be our value for the value for a. It is 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus 2. So we can confirm or check it within the shortest time possible. So we have 4 to the power of a minus 2. A minus 2 is equals to 80. So this one was what we had. So where there is a, we write 2. So now we shall have 4 to the power of a is 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus 2. So don't forget again, minus 2 is equals to 80. So in this case now we shall rewrite this and say that now we shall have 4 to the power of 2 plus now the log, plus 4 to the power of 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So this one is 2 minus 2 is 0 equals to 80. So what is 4 to the power of 2? So 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, that is 16. Then from there now the plus shall now change to the multiplication. So the log to the base of 4 shall cancel with 4. So now we shall have here 5 is equals to 80. So here now 16 times 5 is 80 is equals to 80. So it means that our answer was very correct. So if you really loved this video, please don't forget to give us a like, and also subscribe. So meaning that now our final answer now says that, or becomes a is equals to 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus 2. So this one now becomes the correct answer.